Hello. Today I am going to be showing you how to hack Pokemon Go. And I don't mean Pokemon Go unlimited coins, unlimited I don't mean unlimited crap. I mean like Joystick. Like you can have a joystick and you can move around while just like sitting at home doing nothing whatsoever. It's pretty cool. I find it very much useful. And you can go around doing Pokestops unless you get soft banned. So, there's also Teleportation, which, it's sort of kind of difficult unless you have the longitude and latitude of it. So, that's the sort of sucky part about it. Let's get started into this thing. So first, first, you're going to want to go into totally failed that. iosem.us. Right there. It'll pop up with this. Sometimes it'll say that you need to wait a few seconds for it to load. And then I already have this, so you just want to click this, and then you're going to click, like you just want to click it. Well, I already have it, so it doesn't mark. Then you're going to want to click install. Then it installs a profile. Well, you're going to want to have it install a profile, which is very safe. So, delete that. Oh, fudge. I'm going to have the website in the description below. So, once you're done with that crap, you're going to want to go into this, which is the download that you get from downloading the profile. Go into this, and don't click anything except go into newest apps. Only in the newest apps. Click the Pokemon Go. Darn it, it did this on my other thing while I was trying to create a video. I tried creating a video and it was too long, so I have to recreate it now. So what you're gonna want to do is click this, and then you're gonna want to click install. Obviously, I already installed it, because yeah. So then, once it installs, I'm going to want to open it, but it's not going to open because it says that you have to trust the profile, so go into your settings and trust it. And once you're done with that, open the app up, and it takes a little while to load, so just bear with me. Like, sometimes it can take like a heck long time. Why isn't my volume on? Oh, that's right. Wait, what? I have no volume for some reason. Oh, that's a bummer. So, yeah. This is San Francisco. Don't ask me how I spawned here, because I have no idea. And I'm even in New York. I have no idea how I spawned in San Francisco. It's on the other side of the flipping United States. How do you go from being in New York to teleporting yourself into San Francisco? Like, bruh. So, joystick right here. Wow, it seems really laggy. Up here, this little bar on the top left corner. Home, I don't necessarily know what home does. I'm actually sort of scared because I don't want to accidentally do it, and it says, please bear in mind that it may cause your Google account locked, which means I think it'll be soft banned or something. So, yeah, I'm not going to do that, but if you want to take the risk, take the risk. So, teleport up here, longitude and latitude. I'm not doing that crap. And then the last one, walk run, drive. Walk is good for getting your eggs hatched. Because this actually hatches your eggs. Hold on. Look, it actually hatches your eggs. Darn it, come on. I still have to hatch like 8 eggs, really? Jeez. Oh, and if there's, well, San Francisco is probably like the #1 place to find Pokeballs. I mean, I'm not Pokeballs. Crap. Well, yeah, that too, but to find Pokestops. Because my freaking God, there's like way too many Pokestops. I mean way too many. How many there are over here? Look how many. Look how many gyms too. That's way too many, bro. So look, it was at 3.1 before. Maybe once I get to here, it'll go to 3.2. I'm not going to that one far over there, but there's a Duodo nearby. Cool. So slow. Oh, like, it really does go really slow. Oh, that thing changed to a Dragonite. Wait, how the fudge did that guy get a flipping Dragonite? The frick? Where did that guy get a freaking Dragonite? Alright, so in the comments, can you please tell me what this circle thing is, that this Pokeball circle thing at the top left corner is, or what it means? Because it is freaking annoying. And I have no freaking idea what the heck it means. So maybe going, there we go. Look, maybe I got unbanned well, I should say unsoft banned. Let's see. Shoot, there's a Pokemon nearby. Oh, it's a horsey. I don't really care about that much. Let's see if I got unsoft banned. Shoot, this is slow. Oh, I got unsoft banned, guys. Cool. Good. Okay. So that just proved to you that it worked. Alright, let's see if it went to 3.2. And it did. That's to prove that it works. Oh wow, exactly 3.2. Huh. What a coincidence. So, that just proved that this whole hack works. Right now, you can see it's laggy. Sometimes it can actually be very laggy. Or it's probably the fact that I'm walking on the ocean. It's probably the fact that I'm walking on the ocean. Shoot. Yo, my guy went flipping invisible for a second. Really? I can demolish that guy. Guy's like oh. Okay. So that guy is way easy to kill. Nope, wrong way, wrong way. Give me that flipping Squirtle. Sugar booger. Well, that just gave you a little glimpse that I'm home. And don't judge me. Sometimes I can be flipping terrible as crap trying to shoot the ball. Okay, this will happen a lot too. Your application will crash. So hopefully I caught it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. I will do more hacks, and I will maybe start doing a Let's Play, create a new account. I'll maybe do some other games too. Yeah, that's it. See you next time. Peace. If I can go over here.